Hi guys, this is Martin, aka Martin the Vlogger, and this channel is everything about riding, fun and petrol high watt. And today it is also about this product. It's called Inner Caps by MTV Manufacturing, exclusive product from my company. And today I'll tell you what they are about, how they work, what is good and also what is bad about them. You know, I don't care. I will keep honest, so I'll tell you good and bad things about my products or somebody else's products. I build my reputation on honesty. I'll keep doing it. And I will tell you how they are made and where you can get them, etc., etc. And what colors we run and blah blah blah. So now, enough of this. Let's get started. Okay, so let's start first about two functions that these inner caps have, and then we will go to these. So basically the touch that I give them and what you will receive, how they are built and what are the good things and bad things about them. So yeah, what is the story and what is the functionality? Now, as you can see on that side for 2000 kilometers I was testing them. On that side, that's how I ride for the last year at least. It's not good. And the story is that I wanted to make something like this because I was missing them. I have lost 3 already, those plastic inner caps that you have there. Every Spyder have it here. It's like, it looks like ugly mushroom, plastic mushroom, and it's here. And actually, yeah, I keep losing them. They look ugly, so I was like, let's build something. One gentleman has basically reached out to me, and he's from Germany. He's no manufacturing guy. He's not like a manufacturing company. He's just a freelancer and he likes to play with aluminium. He's super skilled. He told me, Martin, I have this, have a look. I love it. So we have a cooperation now. That's the story. Now, what they are good, apart from the look, and as you can see, that's actually the color of the beast. It's exactly match. And I absolutely love it. It sparkles up the bike. And it doesn't matter if you are having fenders or not. Actually, they are built for those that are having fenders, okay? On my website there will be, and actually it's MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. You will need to choose either you are riding with or without fenders. If it is without, you will receive a steel or aluminium ring as a, you know, place here. So it doesn't matter if you're riding with or without fenders. So look is the function number 1, and I think, you know, for me the beast is everything about the look. For me the look is the most important thing. However, if you have a bike like this, and this is actually the story how the German guy was selling it to me, he was more focused about the mushroom, the plastic one being here. It doesn't protect you against water, it doesn't protect you against dust and dirt. Everything will get there, and you might ended up this piece rusting very heavily. Now, what is that all about? I'm not saying that in 1 year and 2 years it will rust so bad that you might actually lose your wheel or whatever. I'm not saying that. As a matter of sales pitch, yeah, and maybe in 10 years, 15 years, the rust can be so bad that you might end up losing wheel or something may broke or break, whatever. So the functionality number 2, nothing will get inside of the wheel, and I'll show you why. Okay guys, so this is how it comes to me, all right? And these are the options that we are running. This is the color that nobody will get because that's the color that I have on the beast, and it's just one of a kind. Nobody will get it. And this is the packaging, how you will receive it. It's a brand new packaging of MTV Manufacturing with my logo. I know it's nothing for you guys, but for me it's a big step forward. I mean, it's just beautiful. I love it. Hopefully you will like it as well. So how it is built, it's a high quality aluminium made in Germany, assembled in Slovakia. And as you can see here, there is a tiny like rail or hole or place where you will put a rubber ring. So that way nothing will get inside and you are fully protected. How it will be sold or what type of options you will have, this will be like a basic option. Now my aim is to give you, because this is for me a not finished product, so we are using how it is called in English. In Slovak it's eloxication, so the chemical reaction with the aluminium, and so it's not powder coated. This one, it's the eloxication, and it's in the black, and this will be the basic color you can get. And you can adjust, you can wrap it, you can put powder coating on it, you can do whatever you want, but this will be the basic one, or you can just keep it black. So that's how it's gonna be sold as a single or the most basic thing. This is actually the Dragon Red, so the frame that I have on the Beast. The match, it's almost perfect. It's there are so many Dragon Reds, guys, out there. So if BRP tells you Dragon Red, is like no idea what it is, but this is quite close. And don't forget, this is 2015 model, so the color has faded away. And I will show it to you how it looks. And it actually looks very cool on the bike. So this is the Dragon Red. Another option that and this is powder coated, okay? That's the eloxication. This is powder coated. This is powder coated as well. Now, my buddy from Philippines, he wanted to have one for his special series. However, you know, this color, it's for special series 2020, so more kind of a yellowish special series without the orange logo. Okay, so be careful about this. So I need to, you know, really state what is the difference. This is not the orange special series, gray and orange from 2021. These are the special series of 2020. And actually, again, this is the packaging. This is how you will receive. So, what is so bad about this? I have to be honest, I don't like the price, but it is what it is. Go check MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. First 10, only first 10, will get a discounted price. And then it's full price, and I cannot do anything else till I start selling it in a high quality quantities. I'm sorry, high quality is there, but I'm just tiny manufacturer that takes it from Germany, and aluminum is super expensive, and these things are not cheap. So I understand it, but there is nothing I can do, and trust me, many of you will not sell it for this price, for the profit that I make. But it's my problem, it's not yours, it's mine, and I'm willing to do that. And I told you, I'll show you one more thing. If you haven't seen it, great, now you can see it. This is the second aluminum part that we are working. It will be sold separately, but together with these, you will have inner and outside kind of exclusive part. We still need some time, so I think end of August, beginning of September, the spikes will come. We're gonna call them spikes, of course, and they will be made for these wheels, because of course I'm running PPAs. They will be made for BRP wheels, and they will be in different colors, and it's gonna be super cool. So guys, stay tuned. Take or order your inner part for your Can-Am Spyder. Doesn't matter which model, but double check on my website if it's suitable. MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. And now guys, remember, enjoy the rest of the summer. Shop on Martin the Vlogger page. Visit my blog basically. Support my channel by subscribing, hitting the like, commenting, and always have fun.